Welcome back to Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. Today we are playing along with Bashelor. We are going to be on challenge number 2 today. Last time we talked about challenge number 1, picking our pad and picking our dates that will accompany it by making mini page kits. Today we get to choose the adventures for each of our dates. So what I've done is I've picked photos based on the challenges that were presented in this Bashelor session. And there are actually 18 different adventures that you can go check out. I'm just going to show you what I am choosing to do this time around. If you're interested in playing along with this, the Facebook group is called Bash Your Scrapbook Stash. It is a private group. You just have to join. Super easy to do. Free material that are available for you. They have a lot of challenges on there. And you'll find the Bashelor sessions on their guides. And it's super well organized. They are just awesome. So I'm going to go through and show you the pictures I'm picking, the kits that I picked to go with it. There are 8 different challenges on this Bashelor. And I have to save some of the page kits so that I can use them in later challenges. So I did not pick photos to go with all 12 of my dates. I picked as many as I could based on the challenges that we have. So I may or may not end up scrapbooking these with these papers or not. I did find some really cool ones. I'm really excited to show you. So let's go through this. This is going to be a mix of my life, essentially. You'll kind of get to see. The first one is cooking class. So we had to talk about cooking or food and all that fun stuff. And clearly I really wanted to document this night because I printed 2 sets of the photos. What I'm going to do with 2 sets of the photos, I have no idea. But we are going to cooking class, and I chose to use this pad, or this date. Okay, very generic, and I love the fact that I have an idea for this page, and I'm really excited to use it. So you'll see what that looks like after I've got it done. So that is date number 1, adventure number 1. Adventure number 2 is using this beautiful floral and we're going out to dinner. Talking about food again. Cooking class and dinner are just a little bit different. Dinner is using photos of food embellishments, feeding animals, anything food related, while cooking class is use cooking or class, school photos, embellishments, add a recipe, measurements, or anything cooking or related. So this one, there's actually a photo of us roasting marshmallows, while this one is more about my homemade ice cream. So this is the kit that I chose to go along with this one. You've got the green, the coffee mugs, and then this gray. Next adventure is going to be this one, and we are going to a movie. So anything about movies, I chose to take it a little bit different and go TV. This is a picture of my son watching Mickey the Mouse in the background. So I picked the photos and this thing that reminds me of reels and the bloop dot. I'm excited about this one. I've kind of had an idea mooling about in my brain for this one, so I'm excited to go ahead and scrapbook that. Notice I'm not using the Simple Stories in Echo Park, you know, Disneyland kind of themed pages. I don't have any of that product, so I'm using a normal 12 by 12 random kit, right? That's the whole point. Next is the walk on the beach. Now, this is not a picture of the beach. This is a picture of our basement getting destroyed and rebuilt because we had a flood in our basement. So we had to use anything with water. Water in the basement, I feel like, counts. I'm using a Bright Collection for this, but I picked this specifically because of the numbers. It was hell expensive. It was really expensive to replace our main line. And so that's going to be the focus, is the numbers. So I picked the larger of the two numbers, and there's my page kit. Now, I can absolutely do a double page kit, double page with this amount of paper. But if I decide that I need more paper, I absolutely have some left over from the other kits. Okay. Next, we're doing a comedy show. That's the adventure we're choosing. So a funny photo. And I visited Scrap Mania in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and this is just a hilarious photo. So again, photo themed, I went with this page kit. Next, I had the opportunity to use a sketch. Now, this sketch is available in the Facebook group. I'll give you a little deal here. It is by Juliana Michaels from Paper Bakery. It's a 4-photo sketch. So you've got 2 main photos and then 2 supporting photos. Probably gonna do... I don't know. I'm not sure what my main photos are going to be in this. We'll have yet to see. But working from home, you've got all of that text. So I figured I would pick this one. Okay. Next adventure is the escape room. The point of this adventure is to get out of your comfort zone using some mixed media. So I have plans to do this as an 8x8 photo because I can definitely cut that down, but also I can go ahead and add some mixed media or something out of here. Maybe use one of these as a back of my photo, anything like that. So I think this will look really cute in 8x8. Really excited to use this piece of paper. Okay, I think this is the last one. Yep. And I have some happy mail that I got in the mail from Scrap and Happy Studio. We are going on a mini golf adventure, and just so happens I have mini golf photos. All the other ones are kind of a stretch for the theme, but I have mini golf photos. Yes! So, I picked this because circles remind me of golf balls, gray background, perfect. This is literally our scoreboard. I thought Joe was going to win the entire time. And he did. No. I did because the score is lower. Whew, I'm going to have to make sure that's clear. I won at 87 strokes versus 96. I won. Miracle. Absolute freaking miracle. But, anywho, I think this is hilarious that this actually matches my background. You've got the tape measure there. You've got and then this epoxy flare by Scrap and Happy Studio. This is so cute. I am pleasantly surprised with the quality of this product. Highly recommend them. They do sell all of their flare in bundles. They range from... I'm going to say like $5 to $8, depending on the bundle. And really high quality. I chose to get this mounted instead of unmounted. If it's unmounted, it just is kind of in the packaging. But if it's mounted, it has foam already on there. And I can absolutely reuse this foam, which I think is super cool. So, I'm going to try to use this. All of these, because I don't know the next time we're going to go to mini golf. And that are my adventures. I still have my page kits, and I've got the covers here for embellishments if I need them. And then my other page kits are still here. So there's one. There's two. And then and then 3. And 4. So I have a lot of extra page kits here. 5. But maybe I can use them further down the line. Okay. So next time we will put a couple layouts together, or I'll have completed layouts. Haven't decided yet. If you're enjoying this series, please make sure to go check out Bashelor Stash Scrapbook. Bashelor Scrapbook Stash Facebook group. I will link them down below. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.